In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Stripe, whether you're aiming to get your funds into your bank account or onto your debit card. Managing your finances is crucial, and understanding how to efficiently access your earnings is a key part of that process. So let's break it down. First off, let's talk about automatic payouts, which is the standard setup most people use with Stripe. With this option, Stripe takes care of everything by automatically transferring your available balance to your linked bank account based on the payout schedule you've chosen. This means you have the flexibility to set this up to happen daily, weekly, monthly, or whichever way best suits your business needs. Now keep in mind that for your very first payout, you'll experience a delay ranging from 7 to 14 days after your initial payment is received. This is just Stripe's way of ensuring everything is set up securely. But rest assured, once this initial period is passed, all subsequent payouts will follow the schedule you've established, making this option a convenient and hands-free way to manage regular transfers. If you're in need of funds quicker or prefer to have more control over your payouts rather than sticking to a schedule, you can make a manual payout. Now, manual payouts can be a great tool for those unpredictable times when you need a bit more financial flexibility. Provided that this feature is enabled on your account, you can start by signing into your Stripe dashboard. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Balance section, where you'll find an option called Payouts. Here, you'll see an option to either Create Payout or Pay out funds now. By clicking on this, you'll be set to initiate the process. From there, simply enter the amount you wish to transfer and select the bank account or debit card where you'd like these funds to go. A tip to note here is to double-check the recipient details to avoid any issues. Finally, once you confirm the transaction, you're all set. Generally speaking, the funds will typically land in your account within 1 to 4 business days. If you're in the United States, this could even be the same day or the next business day, and over in the UK, same-day transfers are also quite common. So there you have it. Whether you're going with the hands-off approach using automatic payouts or deciding to manage it manually, Stripe's system offers you flexible options tailored to fit different cash flow needs. Having this knowledge at your fingertips empowers you to focus more on growing your business and less on the mechanics of money management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough gives you the confidence to handle your Stripe payouts effortlessly.